Hey guys, so I wanted to show you, I've had a lot of trouble with this lock, trying to figure out how to keep the door handles on. So I'm going to say this to you, and many of you are going to say, well, yeah, of course, but this was not evident to me. So here is the Allen key screw, and you stick in the wrench, and that will keep this one on. This lock, I had a really hard time figuring out how to tighten the screw up, and I want to show you, when you originally look at it, it appears that the screw is on upside down, right, or in there like upside down, which it is. Like, some people said, if you read the videos, that it was stripped. Some people said that the screw was in upside down. The problem is that you can't figure out how to get to the bottom because, as you can see, you can't stick the Allen wrench in. So what I figured out is if you stick the key into the lock, and I wanted to show you, and then turn the key, now you can get the Allen wrench in, and you can then tighten up or loosen, the screw, which will then make the handle stay on. So the other side of that, and what you have to make sure of to see the screws coming up, the other side of that, what you have to make sure of, is that the handle that you use, the hole goes on different for this one. So it's not going to come up. You're not going to have the hole right here as you would here. You're going to have to flip it around so that when you put this handle on, the hole is on this side so that the Allen wrench will fit through. I hope that makes sense. This took me a long time to figure out. In fact, at Lowe's and some of the other places I went, they don't have these set up correctly, and the guy told me he couldn't figure out how to set it up. So anyway, thanks.
Hey guys, I just installed this Kwikset last month. Definitely works great. Lights up in the night if you need to be able to see the keypad. It's very well made. It's very reliable, strong. It seems like it's gonna last me a while. Very durable. But here, let me put the code in real quick so you guys can see how this works. So you're gonna just type in the code right here in the keypad, and it should open up. It's a 4-digit code. Okay, well, makes a little sound and then opens right up. Turn on the light right here. As you can see from the back side, it's got a little knob on it that you can turn to the right, which means it's going to be an open pass, so you'll be able to get in and out without having to put a code. Once you flip it up, that means that now it requires a code for someone to enter from the other side. So I use this for my garage door. It's great. Works great. Haven't had any issues with it so far. It's definitely very strong. Doesn't move or budge. It's well made.
10 minutes. Unfortunately. Tried two different models, two different items, returned the first one, got a second one, still doesn't work. It's a big fail.
So this is the only way to actually install it, unless I drill out the handle. It has to be done this way, because the set screw is there. There's nowhere for a set screw to go on the bottom. Meaning if I flip this handle around, you can't see it on the bottom, but if I flip this handle around, there's not a drill hole on the other side of this for a set screw. This one's correct. And this set screws in. And also there's not a drill hole on this side for a set screw. So I couldn't like swap these handles.
On the inside is straight up and down, then the door automatically locks on the outside. If you put it in this position, then it stays unlocked. So you can get one handy on it, but if you put it in the other one, now it won't open. Once I put that back up and down again.
Okay, so the door handle fell off. The trick to do this is there's a little hole here. You have to put the key in, turn it so it's laying in this position, and then with one of these, you put it in the hole underneath, and then you tighten it up. And then that's the problem solved.